BBK created the performance throttle body market more than 30 years ago, and we're still innovating today. BBK Power Plus throttle bodies are an easy way to improve throttle response and gain up to 20 horsepower. Available for popular Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, and Jeep models. Unmatched power gains with either factory or aftermarket ECM tunes. Most applications are 50-state EPA street legal with CARB EO numbers. Engineered for a perfect fit. CNC machined from high-quality 356 aluminum, dyno tested for maximum performance, giving you improved throttle response that you can feel and enjoy every day. BBK Power Plus Series Performance throttle bodies have been proudly designed and manufactured in the USA since 1988, and we wouldn't have it any other way. Visit bbkperformance.com to learn more about BBK throttle bodies, cold air intakes, performance exhaust, pulleys, suspension, and more.